Hello everyone. Lionhead meatballs are common and famous among southern Chinese recipes. There are two main approaches. One is called braised lionhead meatballs, which come with deep color appearance and a rich flavor but no soup. The other one called lionhead meatball soup, which has delicate flavor with clear soup. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a lionhead meatball soup. The recipe is simple, but it takes about 2 hours to make. But you will really enjoy the final result. First, mince the pork belly meat. I use 1 pound here to make 4 jumbo meatballs for a 2-person meal, but you can double or triple the quantity if you want. The process is the same. First, chop them up into small tiny pieces. This requires some efforts. You can use a cleaver to make chopping and mincing easier. Why manually chopping meat instead of grinding with a mixer? Well, the manual chopping and mincing will give a unique texture with fine but still tiny bit of chunky pieces, while mixed grinding will lose this texture with constant meat paste. However, grinding meat with a mixer is still a viable approach if you choose to be a little lazy. This probably take about 10 minutes. Set aside of the minced meat into a large bowl. Step 2. Mince lotus root. You can usually buy a small bit of lotus root from Asian grocery stores. Mince the lotus root adds crunchiness into the meatball and enhance its unique texture and flavor. You can chop and mince it like this into fine pieces. Step 3. Make a green onion and ginger juice. Slice ginger into thin pieces and green onions into small segments. Then try mash them in a small bowl with tiny amount of water to produce some juice of green onion and ginger. Step 3. Mix and prepare the meat with ingredients. Now, add a proper amount of salt, ground black pepper, cornstarch, green onion and ginger juice into the meat, and mix them up with a clean hand. Add a tiny amount of water, followed by hand mixing for a minute. Repeat this 3 or 4 times so water is evenly squeezed and sealed into the meat. Now comes the fun part. You grab a portion of the meat and smash it against the inner wall of the bowl. You keep doing this for a couple of minutes. This process is important for the meat to stick together better and also get tenderized a bit. At last, add in lotus root minces, give a brief hand mixing and smashing. Step 4. Prepare starch water. Mix some cornstarch into water in another small bowl for later use. Step 5. Cooking time. Prepare 2 soup pots and add in enough water. Bring them to boil. Here I use a wok and a clay soup pot. Grab equal portion of meat into one hand and swiftly change hands to make it into a jumbo lionhead meatball. Sprinkle some starch water as you make it, which helps forming the meatballs and sealing flavor and water into the meatballs. Then slowly add into boiling water in the wok. Now, gently rotate the meatballs so they stay round while solidifying their shape. After 2 to 3 minutes, now gently move the meatballs into the clay pot. Add in salt, ginger and a green onion left over from previous juice bowl. Cover with a lid and slow cooking for 90 minutes over low heat. Make sure the heat is low enough so very little steam comes out from the soup pot, but big enough so the soup is always in a mild rolling boiling state. While we are waiting for the soup, we're going to prepare Shanghai baby bok choy by washing them clean. When time's up, add in Shanghai baby bok choy into the soup. Give it another few minutes. Then remove the soup into a big soup bowl. And now you enjoy your fresh lionhead meatball soup. Please comment below how you like this recipe and whether you would do it differently. Thanks for watching Luke Cookbook.